Max Gaming here, and today we're going to be making a video about my birds, about me, my cameraman's birds. So let's get into it. Guys, we are back, and this is my cameraman's bird.
It is a turquoise bird.
Isn't she pretty?
And feisty.
Yes, and fast.
It does not listen.
It does not listen at all. So let's get on to my bird now, which is on the cage. Isn't my bird pretty also? He is. I think he is also. My bird's green, my favorite color. I really like my green bird.
If you guys can't tell, it is green, but the camera's just yellow.
It is green and with blue cheeks and blue nose and blue feathers. So here you go, birdie. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He probably knows where he's getting recorded.
There you go. You too, come on. I think they like each other. Guys, I think they like each other. Let's get back onto them. Here you guys go. This is their food. Right
Wait,
here.
you took it out?
Guys, these are their food. They love it.
How are you gonna reach it? Oh, she or he got some skills.
It's
How
a
about
girl.
you? How about you? Oh, he's not hungry.
My bird is not hungry right now.
Oh! You want food? Ooh, attack! Ooh.
My cameraman's bird is a jerk. Oh, my bird just flew off. And that is all we have time for today. So, bye, guys. This is my bird's first video.